Hi guys, today I'm making a creamy no churn grape nut ice cream. This literally was my favorite ice cream growing up, so if you love desserts that pack amazing flavor, this is for you. Okay guys, so this is a classic Caribbean inspired dessert and these are the ingredients you will need. So here I have my vanilla, and artificial vanilla is fine. I have my condensed milk and I have my whipping cream. This is 35%, and I have my grape nuts. And these are definitely the star of the show. I had a hard time, guys, finding grape nuts in the grocery stores, but they are on Amazon. Shout out to Simone for bringing these for me all the way from Jamaica. To start, I'm going to be using 2 cups of the whipping cream, and I'm going to whip it on medium-high until stiff peaks are formed. You want it to be fluffy and airy, as this is what gives the ice cream its creamy texture without using an ice cream maker. Be careful not to overwhip, guys, as you will end up with butter, and we don't want buttery ice cream. So next I have my condensed milk, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla to allow the flavors to shine through a bit more. If you are using real vanilla, you can use 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to mix this until it's fully combined. My whipped cream is ready, so next I'm going to be adding my condensed milk mixture to the whipped cream, and I'm going to gently fold everything together until it's fully combined. For this step, guys, try not to mix too vigorously, as you want to keep as much air in the cream as possible, so the ice cream will stay soft and creamy. This is already looking so creamy and delicious. This recipe is simple and it's very easy to make, but the flavor is amazing. Finally, I'm adding my grape nuts, and I'm going to fold that in as well. So I'm just using 1 cup of the grape nuts. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you are enjoying the video, and also if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And also please share my video, guys. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers and I would greatly appreciate it. Now I'm going to pour the mixture into my ice cream pan. This I got on Amazon, but you can use any freezer safe container. I'm adding a piece of plastic wrap to my container to make sure no air gets in, and I'm going to press it directly onto the surface of the ice cream to prevent ice crystals from forming. I'm going to cover and freeze for approximately 6 hours or overnight. And here it is, guys, the finished grape nut ice cream. So this is how it looks after freezing. It is creamy, it's rich, it's definitely crunchy, and it's absolutely delicious. Is this a flavor that you know, guys, or is this a Caribbean thing? Let me know in the comments. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.